How much is a GoPro Hero 7? Just a few hours after a last-minute leak, GoPro has officially announced the new Hero 7 line of cameras, split into white, silver, and black variants. They go on sale next week, September 27th, and are available for $199, $299, and $399, respectively. The specs increase as the cameras climb in price. What is the cheapest GoPro? The best GoPro Hero Session deals. The GoPro Hero Session camera is the cheapest GoPro. It was released in July 2015 as part of the Hero 4 range, priced at $399 per £329. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.